A relaxing day at the supermarket. Today feels perfect for a relaxing visit to the neighborhood supermarket. The fresh morning air feels cool while walking along the quiet residential streets. Small birds sing happily from nearby trees as the peaceful neighborhood slowly awakens. A gentle breeze moves the colorful flowers growing beside the sidewalks. The supermarket appears at the end of the street with bright welcoming windows. Several shopping carts wait quietly near the entrance for early customers. The automatic doors slide open with a soft and familiar sound. Fresh air inside feels cool after the warm sunshine outside. Everything looks clean, bright, and carefully organized from the very first step. Friendly employees smile warmly while arranging products on nearby shelves. Soft background music fills the store without becoming loud or distracting. A shopping basket feels comfortable while beginning this simple everyday adventure. The bakery section immediately catches everyone's attention with delicious fresh aromas. Warm bread comes out of the oven looking golden and perfectly baked. Fresh croissants rest beside soft rolls and crispy baguettes. The wonderful smell makes breakfast suddenly sound like a fantastic idea. Several customers quietly choose pastries while chatting with friendly bakery workers. Everything looks homemade, fresh, and prepared with great attention every morning. The fruit section shines with bright colors under the gentle supermarket lights. Red apples sit beside green pears and sweet yellow bananas. Juicy oranges create a beautiful contrast against deep purple grapes. Fresh strawberries fill small boxes with their wonderful natural fragrance. Every basket looks full of healthy and colorful choices. The vegetables nearby appear just as fresh and inviting. Bright carrots, green cucumbers, and ripe tomatoes cover the wooden displays. Crisp lettuce leaves look cool after being lightly sprayed with fresh water. Fresh broccoli stands beside colorful bell peppers in different vibrant shades. Choosing vegetables always feels satisfying because every meal begins with fresh ingredients. The grocery aisles stretch peacefully toward the back of the supermarket. Each shelf displays products arranged carefully from top to bottom. Different brands offer many interesting choices for everyday cooking. Reading food labels becomes another enjoyable part of shopping. Simple English words appear everywhere on colorful packages and boxes. Rice, pasta, flour, and sugar fill the next long aisle. Everything needed for homemade meals stands neatly within easy reach. Nearby shelves display cooking oil, spices, and delicious pasta sauces. Every product seems ready to become part of tonight's dinner. The cereal section brings back pleasant childhood memories with colorful boxes. Some cereals contain chocolate while others include fresh dried fruits. Healthy oatmeal sits beside crunchy granola in attractive packages. Breakfast becomes more exciting with so many delicious options available. The dairy section feels noticeably cooler than every previous aisle. Fresh milk fills large refrigerators with different sizes and varieties. Cheese, yogurt, and butter remain perfectly chilled behind clear glass doors. Many families carefully compare products before making their final decisions. A bottle of fresh milk easily finds space inside the shopping basket. Creamy yogurt seems like another excellent choice for tomorrow's breakfast. The refrigerated section also offers fresh juices and healthy drinks. Cold orange juice looks especially refreshing on this beautiful morning. Nearby refrigerators display eggs arranged safely inside neat cardboard cartons. Everything appears clean, organized, and ready for another busy shopping day. Frozen foods wait quietly behind large glass freezer doors. Different vegetables, pizzas, and desserts fill every available freezer shelf. Cool air escapes gently whenever someone opens a freezer door. Several children smile excitedly while choosing their favorite ice cream. parents patiently help them make thoughtful and reasonable choices. The snack aisle feels colorful with countless interesting packages everywhere. Potato chips stand beside crackers, popcorn, and baked snack mixes. Sweet cookies fill an entire shelf with tempting delicious varieties. Chocolate bars shine brightly inside their colorful wrapping paper. Choosing only a few treats requires careful self-control today. Every aisle offers another opportunity to discover something useful. Shopping slowly makes every small detail easier to appreciate. The peaceful atmosphere turns a simple errand into an enjoyable experience. A friendly employee kindly offers help with finding a specific product. A warm smile makes the supermarket feel even more welcoming. The shopping basket gradually becomes heavier with every new selection. Everything needed for a healthy and comfortable week slowly comes together. A household supplies section comes into view with many practical everyday products. Laundry detergent fills one shelf with colorful bottles and pleasant fresh scents. Fabric softener promises clean clothes with long-lasting floral fragrances. Dish soap stands beside sponges, brushes, and cleaning cloths for daily chores. Everything needed for keeping a home clean appears neatly arranged together. Paper towels and tissues occupy an entire aisle with different package sizes. Nearby shelves display trash bags, aluminum foil, and plastic food containers. Simple household products make everyday routines easier and more comfortable. The personal care section feels bright, fresh, and carefully organized. Toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash line the shelves in perfect order. Soon, another interesting section appears just around the next quiet corner. Only a few people wait patiently in each quiet checkout line. The shopping adventure slowly approaches its final enjoyable moments. Congratulations! If you've made it this far, you've already made great progress. Keep it up! For even better results, try listening to the audio one more time without reading the text. Write down as much as you can remember, then compare your writing with the original and correct any mistakes. This simple exercise will help you improve your listening, spelling, vocabulary, and overall English retention. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next video. Happy learning!